My name is Dilip Nainen, and I'm visiting the Institute of Advanced Studies in Paris from Tufts University in Boston. I'm primarily a philosopher of language and philosopher of mind, and my research project here is on the nature of the imagination. And I'm particularly interested in one form of imaginative exercise, namely when one imagines being someone else. So for example, if I'm reading a biography of Napoleon, I might wonder, what is it like to be Napoleon? And I might try to answer that question by imagining being Napoleon, looking out at the desolation at Austerlitz, perhaps. And that form of imagination raises a number of philosophical questions. The first one is very simple. What is it to imagine being Napoleon? What is the content of such imaginings? And that question turns out to be difficult to answer given standard theories of what language means, of what words like imagines means, what the first person pronoun I means. But I'm also interested in this question for a number of other reasons. So I think the question is important, the general phenomenon is important, because imagining oneself to be another plays an important role in our capacity for empathy, our ability to understand and appreciate the sufferings of others, even those who are quite different from us. And that's something that's important at the moment, given the rise of xenophobia and populism these days. This form of imagining also plays an important role in our understanding of others' mental lives, what they believe, what they desire, why they do what they do. It also plays an important role in our strategic thinking, in thinking about how to respond to the actions of others and how they're going to respond to our actions. So I've come to Paris, to the Institute for Advanced Studies in Paris, in order to pursue this project because the Institute is very well connected to the philosophers of language and mind, linguists, and other cognitive scientists in Paris. And I hope while here to take advantage of that by organizing a workshop on these topics.